My people, more not talk for this issue now. Wait till they solve. Now they see truth. The same Frank Victor will come out and be analyzing Enogie, using Enogie to be doing credit cashier. For Enogie to carry a wife and task, make they doing the matter, do and tell us, say, okay, now, thank God, say, Enogie wife, mama don't fall out now, say, they should go and do Isango for a picking. And if you look Mama Nora, you will know, say, Mama Nora na water picking. Everybody will get sense, where they think where, you suppose know, say, Mama Nora na water picking. And it has been a long time. Oma se fatana ne, you know no se fatana. And na sana webo. Mama Nora should go and carry like 66,000 egg. We fata. No really. Iyare Kiana we sagone. He should go home and do normal things. All the Christians, oh where are we here? How do you mean? And he should go for himself. Because sometimes it can't be like say Mama Nora they come for kill. Now they hear me so. It can't be like say she they come for kill. But if you they look at she they fight for their rights before or take being right or get but as a woman. But in the eyes of many people, she they do wrong. She they do in a way where people come and say, oh, one in you go and say, oh, one in so Mama Nora, I talk to you indoor. I'm still begging you. Do the needful and bring your man in. I want to make it. Now this Europe, you see, say some women, some men will hope you carry their wife, make go the do we go the loan show. Some men will carry their wife, or the money, or one yak big agia, or travel away, or they come go at the end, we pay go away. It happen. I wanna lay. Most of all those men when they see so today, many don't ban for life. Many not still ban, but many still ban. Our continue to hide. I have to close this one. I close them. Our continue to hide. The car where this man buy for this woman, where did they use? The same car, now this woman, say they carry from Victor today. Our ma begging it up back. Our ma begging it up back. No beneath. Where the media he come and can't talk truth because they fear Frank Victor. They believe say Frank Victor will saga them. Nobody fit tell the truth. They believe if they tell the truth, he will come saga them. Now maybe sugu. Ogbon BJ flat in here. Iyo boss Osaimere, our BJ in here. Now me go fit saga you where I go sit down. Now maybe sugu. I not be the rest people where they fear you, Flacco. I not be the rest people where they fear Omozuo. Me don't priest I be sugu. You know our BJ in here. You where our from the starting to the end, our boy so talk. And then when I tell our, you are swimming inside our from Victor, our big well in here. You are swimming inside our because in the day where this Ovibo can't talk, the whole media will shake. The day where this Ovibo can't talk, I said the whole media will shake. And I will not say from Victor na devil. The day where this woman, one that they see so can't talk, this man never talks to everybody saga around. Am I going? This Igbo man, he never talk. Many Igbo people, they never reach out to their brother. Something is playing. The man kept mute. The man kept me because now man, we know they do cho. Even some men where they do cho, they for don't follow sins. This man, when Mama Kevin married, is a responsible man. Mama Kevin is if he lose this kind of man, come say now most will no, now he come be the man. Most will not. No good again. Almost when I low, never yari jet of the smallest brick in those about space. Without your tongue, he got is the problem. If I you go know why breast is very good to leak. You were the sub breast, you will last where you don't know. You the sub breast, you teaching and walk, not be walk. We make you last longer. And the more you was who are new. Yeah, I reported. Okay, may I come on this picture? They are reporting this video. This reporter Sasawa. Everybody say, what him with that? Everybody say I love TikTok. They report that picture. Almost what? Me, you dey always use fake accounts they wash. Me, I be clean person. I dey use direct account on your page. But you dey here the level wall of the carry like go. Wait till they saw. Mama no never do that one. Wait till pass that one for other people. Mama no never do wait till pass that one. So they not they carry this man to go far. He's supposed to say in a content creator. He they do so many things. He gets some matter where you will look over. Forget. Where our day. Our is as a la wagbe. Our is as a la wagbe kenuri aja. Okay, our he protected from Victor. Yeah, okay. Our protected. Okay. Our gbe. Our home ami owa. Our gbe. Oya for be good. That is why ancestors make the woman very useless woman. Today that woman not get anything. I go confirm her for her. His sister tell me everything. You know what? I don't want me. I go cause wahala for a family. His sister tell me everything. That woman no level for her. Our God be a webo. No level for Mama Kevin. Our God be a webo. You will not pray to have somebody like Mama Kevin in your life. Say that kind of woman. For many, close to 34 years in Europe now. 34 years, no level for her. Our Zoa. I'm telling you the people the truth. That is why the last bus stop when you did now is on Mozo. That is why you see some Mozo can misbehave anyhow, carry woman doing the rubbish. She don't have say. She don't have say. Now the so she don't get say because she don't spoil her life, she don't gog. Or gog in even say. That is why Mozo they manipulate every day. That is why Mozo went to go and carry on that ass. If they do anything we like, now you wait. So me wait doing my family now. He say now batty me they do. Say me supposed to go carry ass. You understand? No, good. The good may be say for this Europe, you supposed to get second address. The good. For this Europe, the way Europe day, as a man, you supposed to get second address. When they hear me so, as a man, you supposed to get second address because sometimes most of our women they misbehave too much. If they see say you get second address, where if you come out, anything we call it, if you go where go relax, sometimes they are bring with the calm. It's very good. You as a man, take this advice. You as a man, don't neglect. That is why you see say some men now will forget that kind of advice. They'll deal with their family, they live life. After some 10, 15 years, they'll come get problem. At the end, the woman come drive the man for street. Because the man don't think say this kind of problem will fit come one day where we say he and the wife go quarrel where we say go to the street. But the man will come go street and go start for square one again. That is why you see many men and they buy away for Europe. Things they play. You come France, make us people with the train station. Don't tell you they get 3 children. Their wife they okay. This is so their wife they okay. Their wife they get 3 train station, they no gas. They're many for France. You know what they play. France don't this. I really know what France. Go ask question. Go ask question. I believe that so James TB. I believe that so James TB. Say 002 in the house. God bless you, big God. And God will bless you. Please, everybody, power tap your screen and share. You only send me gift. Why? If you enjoy this topic, I bet send me gift. You know, send me waiting not good. I bet. If you know say they enjoy this my topic and if they motivate you, send me waiting not good. I bet. Send me some kind of gift where you know say will give me joy. The rest, God will bless you. They always support this. Please, if you enjoy this platform, power tap your screen, follow us, give us a follow, and send us waiting not good. And God will bless you now. Who will talk the truth? That be the thing. And you're telling them matter. Who will talk me? Not they fear anybody. That's why they tell Enogie. I say Enogie, position your ass. You say Has they for France. Has they here for France, shall we have which please don't tell us. May I bring you up? Tell us where Has they. Please tell us. Hello. Come in.
Good morning, sir. I not say Has they for France. Say Has they had for France. Now we
Okay. You say Has they had for France.
Yes, I say they have.
God bless you. That is what they talk through. Are they right?
Yes, so you You did right well. France
You
women.
want to educate people so and they try.
Yes, you dey try. Oh, twin in blue.
If you say, na name call, na big name call. Na God will bless you.
Then
Na big
God
name
bless
call.
you.
Oh, two. Then they craze. Oh, go Bazia. You know why I come out? You know why they vex? Enogie suppose reason and say, my sister, I was there Europe. Talk truth, I was there Europe.
But that one, Shami no know, but I don't know whether I was there. I not there into
No,
tradition
talk
like
truth.
that.
You don't know whether I was there. I bet Mona say request. Mona come talk. I was there Europe. Mona come tell me. I was there Europe. Mona come tell me.
One thing I don't know about marriage is that we should respect our marriage and do what
My
is
sister,
right. Wetin?
my
Uh-huh.
sister, question where I ask you now, you don't fit answer that question.
Mama
You know,
answer.
which chap are you from?
Oh, yeah, tó pàtàkì.
Where you from? Where you from for Benin?
Eke you talker.
Utoka.
Yeah,
Erao. Utoka. Israel Utoka.
yeah, the two.
You know the meaning of awa?
I know Awana. Why I know come know Awana?
You know awa. Where now Nigeria you for the street, so I mean, where you dey? So where for the street now?
Na the same country we dey.
Okay, you dey France, Abi?
I dey France.
Okay. Awa dey Europe, you dey France? Oh, dear, you are laughing. Oh, dear, you are laughing. My sister, you are laughing.
Ah,
Oh, dear.
but
Awa
the
dey
question,
Europe, one dear. You cannot say yes or no.
the question dey funny. I never see our for street. If I see our for street, I will try ask her wetin
You
be there.
never step on street. You never step on street. Okay, what can
I,
you do? When you dey
I,
Nigeria, awa dey street for Nigeria.
our many for street for Nigeria. Ogun, Isango, Yeyabue, but many for street
Somebody
for
dey give my
Nigeria.
gift gallery. God will bless you. Peruzzi, Mona dey carry gift go my gift
But many for Nigeria,
gallery.
Ifa. But
Okay,
many
check.
for
May I bring other
Nigeria.
person come? Where see? Since you never understand
Okay.
our, where see? May I bring other person? I bet Mona come talk. If you know, say you know our, come tell us. What do you want? Hello? Hello? Unmute yourself now. Hello? Hello? Unmute yourself. My people, thank you, J-Boy. Abi? Thank you, Lucky Usas. Please, if I were there, Europe, Mona can't talk. Mona send request. Why people they wrong? Now they talk. Why me matter? Why me matter? Who are you? But see, in life, truth, that make they tell people if they talk truth and use truth to the saga people, they go keep quiet. If they use truth to the saga people, Allah, they tell you my saga. Anybody at the saga, they keep quiet too. Ozwa. Ofe ko alawa. On get don't please ogwana. If you know say to be Benin person, you know they call our say request. Hello.
Hello, Don Priest. Ogo where? I greet you too. Your question, I make me climb up.
Okay.
Say whether our day Europe.
Yeah.
My own answer say yes, our day Europe.
Okay, which country you dey?
Na Germany I dey.
Okay, our dey Germany.
Our day everywhere. As far you are a Benin indigene, that person they don't born now for Benin
Okay,
parents.
now let Benin people now they follow for this world.
Listen to me. I don't know another person. Now my own tribe. Oh, now I go know. Now I go fit explain to people. You understand? So every other tribe, I don't know how they do something. So the one where me know now I go fit tell you. Why I talk say, you know, as I say, Benin they talk and say, Agi ye kendo huo ene. Ugu you unra ngo tone vedo. Era viju e kedo rene. Abia we ye benine. Why you not go know? As our day or tradition way for your family till they work. You go know. Except say that person na person will be say they born Benin person born.
Okay, my sister, make I ask you one question. You know, say we are being brainwashed in so many areas. I'm not talking say tradition not deal. You're listening to me. Okay. We are being brainwashed in so many areas. Make I give one example. Okay. You tell me we Nigeria.
Yeah.
Imagine say we'll get car, we'll get babe. Sometimes you get what we'll drive with the way we both drive for abroad. But so you just see drive. Sometimes you just see park, give your wife waiting not go for back. You just see enjoy yourself. They just see go they do fun. Many people they do and they look like fun. Where be say they'll carry their wife, they'll do and waiting not go for some to the wife will enjoy the thing. Yeah. For where be say you just see the tranquilo. Aside now your wife or now your girlfriend. You know, some is all a part of enjoyment as they travel. So they make the travel the sweet. They make it the get on, they get fun. Imagine that what did Nigeria at that time. They tell us say if we knock with some motor, our age will knock. Many people will they can't depress us. Me when suppose they knock with aging. I call the fear my age not knock. Imagine for many years they depress me. You know, I suppose ask question. Okay, most of the cars when they call bench cars in Nigeria, they don't knock with no good for those cars.
Don't Prince, you don't they
Please see
carry
my
me for
sister,
back
your
of
talk.
question.
Most
You
of
don't
all
they
those
carry me for
cars,
back of
but
question where you
listen, my
ask me.
sister, most of all those cars, where they second Nigeria. If I tell you the kind of we don't take place of cars, where they come carry Nigeria. But if that car comes Nigeria, that car can be our. If it dey Europe, it not be our. My sister, there are so many things that take brainwash us for this world. Now maybe it's subu. There are so many things that take brainwash. If I say my father they talk about things, yeah, wait boy, now imagine what I
Don't
to my
Prince,
sister.
yeah, you say all those cars will come, not be
Wait till my
abroad,
brain
you
too
say they
big.
will come.
See, wait till my brain too many. My brain is sleep. Ube so you have here, no re. Wait till my brain too much. If I say my back across social media, now voila. I
Don't
go
Prince, see,
disagree many
you
things.
know then a live stream you did, so many people they watch you, they learn. You understand?
But they tell them, not going to brainwash them. For me, I don't see say a old man marry person wife for abroad. The man will marry wife, the bed where the man back. Now the new husband for the knacker. They do everything. No agua. I believe
Anybody
what
will
the
say
story
I
for
will
this
not there,
media.
na lie that person they lie to himself. Anybody
Okay.
will say I will not